Hey guys, welcome to Life and Leisure. Now, we've all heard you're fine, but if you don't feel fine, you deserve better answers. And today's guest helps people find those answers. We are joined by Julia Cheek. She is the founder and CEO of Everlywell, making health testing simple and giving people clear next steps at home or in person. Julia, it is so nice to have you.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
We were just talking earlier. We watched your episode of Shark Tank.
Oh my gosh.
So,
such a treat to have been on the show.
tell us what that was like.
It was about 7 years ago, and it was such an amazing experience. At the time, no one knew that you could get so much of your health testing done from home.
Right.
All the science had been around for many, many decades. And I felt like there was this real opportunity to educate Americans. Like, all you have to do is a simple finger prick or a saliva tube. And now that seems normal, right? We auditioned to be on the show, got to pitch in front of the Sharks, ended up doing, at the time, the largest female founder deal on the show with Lori.
I remember, it was big. I remember that.
It was awesome, and she's been involved in the company ever since, and it's just been an amazing partner in helping to build this.
So tell us, for everyone at home who's not familiar, what exactly you offer.
Yes, so I started the company to make this easy, simple, and able to do from home. And so what that means is we offer now different tests that you can do from home or go into a Quest and have your blood drawn and say, hey, I can pay cash for this. I can get a consult from a doctor. I'm never gonna get charged another dollar, and I can get answers to all of my health issues from home. So this is hormones, vitamin levels, food sensitivities, cholesterol, kidney disease,
We gotta do this.
all of these different issues that people face. And they have to go through a PCP to a referral, and it just becomes this months-long process. And it's simple, easy, you can do it in a week.
Well, right now, we're gonna take a closer look at Everlywell and the solutions that they provide in the spotlight.
We've all been there, told you're fine even when you don't feel fine. For millions of people, that single word becomes a wall, blocking clarity, delaying answers, and leaving them stuck in the dark about their own health.
What drew me to Everlywell was the opportunity to use my years of clinical experience delivering direct patient care. Everlywell empowers people by making reliable, clinician-guided testing accessible, empowering everyone to take their actions in their health.
Everlywell is your one-stop partner for clarity, offering lab-quality tests for hormones, heart health, food sensitivity, metabolism, and more. Test at home or in person and get clear results you can trust.
So when I got my Everlywell 360 results back, there were actually some abnormalities I wasn't expecting. Autoimmunity markers, inflammatory markers. What it was able to allow me to do was to seek my next steps and see a specialist for issues that I didn't even know existed. I'm being tested for Cushing's syndrome, which is scary because it could be due to a tumor. If I hadn't done Everlywell 360 testing, I wouldn't have any idea.
If you're fine never felt like the full story, Everlywell can help you discover what your body's been trying to say. Don't settle for fine. Discover more at everlywell.com.
Let's talk about women for a second, women's health. What are the more popular tests that women are purchasing?
Well, it won't surprise you that since I had this issue, I talked to my friends, and we were in our kind of late 20s, early 30s. And then I started talking to lots of women when I started the company. And I realized, unsurprisingly, as we all know now, women are not only half of the population and making all the healthcare decisions for families, but they're often underrepresented, not listened to, forgotten in the healthcare process. And so we started by saying, what are the problems women have that they're not getting the answers to? Hormone testing, fertility testing, peri and menopause and postmenopause testing, food sensitivities, food allergies, nutrition, gut, everything that can cause a constellation of symptoms where you just don't feel well. So we wanted something where women could be in charge of their own answers, their own process, and still get the support that they needed from doctors.
Julia, thank you so much. This was such a pleasure. We loved meeting you and hearing all about Everlywell. This is
everyone at home,
incredible.
don't settle for fine.
That's
right.
right.
That's the most important thing.
And thank you all for watching Life and Leisure. We'll see you next time.